Let's learn construction vehicles. This is excavator. This is bulldozer. This is dump truck. This is cement mixer. This is roadroller. This is crane truck. This is skid steer loader. This is backhoe loader.